AG Squared here. Today I'm going to be clearing out the 4 Carpenter bee traps that I installed at an investment property I own about 3 or 4 months ago. Check out how effective these traps were and how easy it is to clean them out. This image shows the reason why if you see bees around your siding that you want to get it taken care of right away. If you don't, they will damage your siding and potentially cause it to rot and ultimately lead to very, very expensive repairs. For a focused overview on how to assemble these traps and how to get the best result from them, check out my video on the top right over here. Alright, trap numbers 3 and 4 were pretty darn high. And as someone that's afraid of heights, I would be immensely grateful if you give us a like or a share for putting my fears aside for you all. Now, trap number 4 was the closest to the most bee activity around the house, and therefore it caught the most bees. Collectively, these traps caught roughly 40 or so of them, and my siding couldn't be more relieved. So thanks for tuning in, and if you found this content useful or are interested in more content around DIY projects, real estate, finance, or technology topics, consider subscribing to my channel. Till next time.